God wouldn't place a dream in your heart if you weren't capable of making it real. You know what you need to do, not in theory, not as some vague idea, but deep down in your bones, you know the path, the work, the truth. You've always known. You've whispered it to yourself in the silence, wrestled with it in the shower, tried to escape it in your distractions, but it's always there, quietly screaming beneath the noise. So, why haven't you done it? Why do you keep pretending you're confused? Why do you keep telling yourself you're waiting for a sign, waiting for permission, waiting for the perfect time? That's a lie, and you know it. You don't need more research. You don't need another motivational video. You don't need someone to rescue you. You need to get up and move and fight. One more day, every single day. You whisper it to yourself. One more day. Just one more. Just give me till tomorrow. Let me rest a little more. Let me think a little longer. You said it yesterday. And the day before that. For 8 months straight, you told yourself, just one more day. But nothing changed. And still, some part of you believes it, that maybe, just maybe, tomorrow will be different. Maybe tomorrow is the day you get rich. Maybe tomorrow you finally feel motivated. Maybe tomorrow life just magically starts working. It sounds delusional. It is. But that's the one delusion you need to hold on to, not to delay action, but to keep going. It's insane. It's illogical. It's irrational. But it works. Because faith, even blind, is what keeps us alive. That stupid hope that tomorrow will be better is the only thing stronger than the pain of today. But let me tell you something. Hope without effort is a fantasy. So if something inside you is burning right now, don't ignore it. Drop a comment below saying, I'm starting today. And make that promise real. Don't just listen, move, decide, begin, and the mind game you're losing. I'm going to say something that might seriously mess with your head, but it's going to open your eyes. When you think negatively about yourself, you unconsciously start assuming that everyone else thinks the same way about you. If you feel insecure, you assume others see you as insecure. If you feel unattractive, you assume others are judging you too. If you believe you're not good enough, every silence, every pause, every lack of response feels like proof that they agree. But here's the truth. They don't. You are projecting your internal war onto the outside world. You're painting everyone with the colors of your own self-doubt. And then you blame them. You start believing the world is against you. You think people are being cold, distant, judgmental. But in reality, they're just reflecting what you already believe about yourself. So what if you flipped it? What if you walked into a room, believing people saw your light instead of your flaws? What if you believed you were valuable, beautiful, worthy, and let the world reflect that? You've been your own villain for too long. It's time to become your own hero. And action is the only answer. And I swear to you and on everything that lives in my soul, the moment you stop waiting, stop doubting, and finally take real, unshakable action, everything begins to shift. That's when the game of life truly starts. Not when you plan, not when you dream, but when you move, when you get sick of your own excuses, when the pain of standing still becomes louder than the fear of change, and you decide to grab the wheel back from procrastination. That's when momentum kicks in. That's when you feel energy rising from a place inside you that you didn't even know existed. You start seeing little victories, sparks of progress, signs that you're not stuck. You were just paused. And in those moments, it clicks. This life was never against you. It was waiting for you. You don't need a sign. You don't need permission. You need to start, not tomorrow, not next week. Now. And brother, 2026, your future self is watching. Close your eyes for just a moment and let yourself drift into a vision. Imagine it's 2026, exactly 1 year from today. You're standing there, looking back at this very moment. Ask yourself, honestly, did you evolve? Or are you still trapped in the same loop? Are you still clinging to the same excuses, telling yourself the same tired lies, holding on to that fragile hope without ever turning it into action? Because here's the harsh truth. If nothing changes, nothing changes. A year can fly by, and if you don't break the pattern now, you'll still be overthinking every step, procrastinating on your dreams, fighting the same internal wars that have held you hostage. So ask yourself, in 1 year, will you feel pride swelling in your chest, or will you feel the weight of regret pressing down on your soul? That choice starts right now. Every internal shift you make, every mindset you break, every belief you rebuild will eventually bleed into your reality, or it won't. And that reality, whether it's built from growth or stagnation, will be the direct result of the decisions you make today. So what's it gonna be? Gratitude or resentment? Forward or stuck? You already know the answer. You are born to win, but built by pain. There are people out there, and maybe, just maybe, you're one of them, who are wired differently, built for something greater, born with a fire that refuses to die no matter how many storms come their way. But life doesn't hand out victories easily. It throws curveballs, distractions, setbacks, heartbreaks, just to see if you're serious. It confuses your path, clouds your vision, and tests every ounce of your patience, your strength, your belief. The world will push you to your breaking point before it ever opens the door to your breakthrough. But the ones who are meant to win, they don't stop, not for long. They might break down, cry behind closed doors, feel the crushing weight of doubt. But even then, they keep going. They collapse at night and still rise the next day with clenched fists and quiet determination. They keep showing up, unnoticed, uncelebrated, misunderstood, and yet they persist. And when their time finally comes, when their efforts finally pay off, the world will blink and say, wow, that happened so fast. But it didn't. What the world didn't see were the years of struggle, the long nights filled with silence and self-doubt, the lonely roads and unseen battles. But they knew. Deep in their core, they always knew. They weren't chasing a maybe. They were walking toward the inevitable and the power of walking alone. Let's talk about the man who walks alone. He doesn't need a crowd. He doesn't need attention. He's learned the hard way that most people aren't real. He's had friends betray him. He's been stabbed in the back by people he loved. He's been disappointed so many times. He finally said, enough. So now, he walks solo. But don't mistake that for weakness. That's from real power. He's built strength in silence. He's found peace in solitude. He trusts slowly, chooses wisely, and keeps his circle tight. One real friend is more valuable than 100 fake ones, and that man knows it. So when you meet someone like that, respect them, because he's already won the hardest battle there is, the battle with himself. Be the comeback king. Be the guy they hate betting against. Be the guy who disappears and re-emerges with more fire in his eyes. Down bad, you bounce back. Counted out, you go silent, then return. Unrecognizable. Let them talk. Let them doubt. Let them whisper behind closed doors. Because while they're watching, you're building. While they're laughing, you're rising. They think you're done. You've barely started. You turn pressure into power. pain into progress, doubt into dominance. Be that guy, the one they bet against and lose, and the universe is watching. You might not believe in karma, but believe this: the universe keeps score. Every door you hold open, every act of kindness, every time you choose love over anger, it's all counted. The universe doesn't reward selfishness, it rewards the giver, the kind, the persistent. Even when you're hurting, even when people don't say thank you, even when no one claps, keep doing good, keep showing love, keep being the person you wish you had in your life, because it will come back to you. Not always immediately, not always from the same source, but it comes back tenfold. And the day it returns, you'll realize it was all worth it. You know what you need to do. You've known it deep down for a long time, even if you've been trying to ignore it, bury it, or drown it out with distractions. But now, right here, right now, this is your moment. Not tomorrow, not next week, not when the timing feels perfect, because it never will. It's this exact breath, this exact second, where everything can start to change if you choose it. If today is the day you finally stand up and say, enough, if you decide you're done being stuck, done being scared, done playing small, then you've already started the transformation. And I promise you, if you follow through, if you fight for yourself, even when it's hard, even when no one believes in you, even when the results are slow, then 1 year from now, your life will be unrecognizable in the best way possible. You'll look back with tears in your eyes and whisper thank you to the version of you who was exhausted but kept showing up, to the version of you who was broken but refused to stay on the ground, and all those people who doubted you, laughed at your dreams, or counted you out. They'll have nothing left to say, because you didn't just dream. You did. You didn't wait for permission. You became unstoppable.